There's simply no match for this weekend's new to Lou 2, figuratively and literally. The Pull Start Fire Grill is a disposable, eco-friendly, portable charcoal grill that lights instantly with just the pull of a string. No lighter fluid, no kindling, no match. Get it? The single-use grill weighs in at just 3 pounds and is preloaded with an all-natural eucalyptus charcoal brick. Once the string is pulled, using their patented pull string ignition technology, the grill heats up and is ready to cook over in just 5 minutes. Whoa. Delivering up to 3 hours of high, even heat on any surface. The dual-stage airflow pattern gives you consistent corner-to-corner cooking, whether you're searing a steak or roasting marshmallows. Making these grills a great option for camping, tailgating, beach days, backyard barbecues, or emergency kits. The Pull Start Fire Grills are sold in packs of 1 or 2. If you're buying one, they ring in at $24.99 a grill, and if you buy a 2-pack, they drop down to $19.99 a grill. No better time than Memorial Day weekend to get your grill gear going, so check them out. Pull Start Fire Grills.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel. And be sure to like and subscribe.